Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss about workshops. I hope you have seen my brief video about this video series. So let's come back to our topic. So workshops. Workshops certainly mean a different thing outside the field of psychology and in the field of psychology. So outside the field of psychology, workshop, what does workshop mean? That you're going to learn something, you're going to implement it. So you're going to make and create and something you're going to do practically. That is what workshop is. That's not at all the case in the field of psychology. When it comes to workshop, they are saying you that they are going to provide you a lecture given by a certain facilitator. So it is a seminar, or you may call it as a webinar because it is going to held online. So all the workshops, whatever they are going to sell you, is basically a webinar that you're going to attain. A certain faculty member or a certain facilitator is going to come and talk with you about a certain topic for 1 to max 4 hours. Okay, so that is what is workshop in the field of psychology. Now workshops can be of three types. One, where you are going to pay and get the certificate. Second, where you are not going to pay and not get the certificate. And third, where you're going to watch it for free, but at the end, if you want certificate, you're going to pay certain amount. So these are three types of workshop you're going to see in the market. Alright, so now that we know what workshops are and what types of workshops are there, which one to choose is the question, right? So now the first one is a paid one. So you're going to watch the workshop and you're going to pay for the certificate. Listen to me. If the workshop is costing you more than 200, max to max 500, don't go for more than 500, and not at all. So for workshop is never worth beyond 500. So if you are going to pay that much amount, and if you think that the facilitator is really well versed with all the information they are going to share, it is from a renowned institution, then you can go for it. Next one is workshop which are providing you free certificate and free watching also. So when it comes to free, then quality sometimes can go down. So they are going to they are offering you workshop on any topic which is not worth it, or the facilitator is not that qualified. So what you can do is you can just go over there, watch it for 2 to 3 minutes, 10 minutes max to max. You can get an idea, is it worth it of investing one or of yours. If you don't think so, skip it. The next one is, the last one is that where you're going to watch it completely and then going to pay for the certificate. Again, you're going to watch it. So after watching it, if you feel it was worth it, and if you again feel that this certificate is going to help me in some way in the future, then you can pay for the certificates. If you ask me that does this certificate matter, I'm going to say 50-50, because at a moment or at a point you reach at a point after gaining certain certificates, is that you think that they have no value at all. So what knowledge you have gained from these videos and through watching these workshops is what at the end matters. No one asks you how many certificates you have earned, because if you see each person who are renowned psychologists today have done 200-300 workshops. So, and no one asks you for workshop certificates. So choose wisely when you're paying it. Don't pay much is what I'll say. If you're collecting certain certificates, you don't have anything with you, then you can start with collecting certain certificates, because certain scholarships may ask you these certificates, or certain job opportunities may ask you what little knowledge you have about this field, and then you can show this certificate that you have done this workshop and that workshop and all of those things. Look at your facilitator before choosing your workshop. Look, it is from a renowned institution. See, if it's not an institution, it is an organization, and if they are telling you that we are certified with MSME, or we are ISO registered, if we are IOATH or IAOTH, this is an organization, that is International Association of Therapists. So many organizations say that we are in collaboration with this, and if you complete certain certificate, that tag will be there on the certificate, and that increases the value of the certificate. Then again, there is this ICPM also. It is an organization which provides certificates. So all of these certain organizations in the field of psychology, what they do is they attach these organizations name on their certificate. Like if my organization is there, that is Psych Insights, and I'm providing you a certain certificate, along with my organization's logo there will be written that it is MSc certified, it is ISO certified, it is accredited with ICPM and IAOTH. So these are the organizations, and which certainly says that, or they claim that it is increasing the quality of the certificate they are providing, or the value of the certificate they are providing. But trust me that that's not the case. It doesn't matter a lot. What matter is the facilitator, who is how much well versed with whatever he or she is teaching, how much knowledge the facilitator has, and what output you're going after investing your 1 hour 2 hour in that internship, in that workshop or not. So that is all about workshops. So choose wisely when you're doing certain workshops also. That's all for this video. In the next video we are going to talk about internships, or let's say we will be talking about then certificate courses. So all of these things we are going to discuss slowly. I hope this video helped you. I'm going to share at the end when of this video series a particular video on resources only, so where you can find workshops for free, organizations who are providing workshops and free certificates, organizations who are providing you free videos, and then saying you to pay if you want a certificate, and organizations which provide you paid workshops. So all of that I'm going to share, don't worry, in the end video. So stay tuned to all of these series. Thank you.